Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Metapod versus Kakuna Surprise Fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Metapod versus Kakuna Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners, and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to fold it in half one more time, and give it another nice fold, so it kind of looks like a bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I always like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin over here with Kakuna. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's going to come down to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line down here. Now, starting here on the fold, let's make a line that's going to come up and then down like this. And then I'm going to bring this line right down to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that curves down, and then we'll make a little line that curves up here. Then, starting here, we're going to make a line that comes down. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then up, kind of like a V shape. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. Right here, we're going to continue this line down, and then we're going to come in. Then we're going to go over and then up here. Then right here, we're just going to go down and then bring this up. And then right here, let's make a little broken line for some detail. Next, right here, we're going to go out, and then we're going to come down at an angle. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go in. Same thing here, we're going to go down and then in. And let's go ahead and draw a little line down here. Next, we'll bring this line up. And then we'll make a line that's going to come down and up here. Then, starting here, we're going to curve a line down. And we're going to make a little line come up here. And then we're going to bring a line down here. Then we're just going to bring a little line down here and a little line here. Now, starting here, let's make the eyes. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to kind of curve this back. And then over here, I'm going to bring this line up, and then we're going to come down here. Then we're going to curve this line over to here. Next, I'm going to make an oval shape here. Then we're going to make kind of like an oval shape here. Then I'm going to draw a little curve here and a little curve here. Now, over here, let's make Metapod. So to start off with Metapod, I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to begin by making an oval shape for the eye. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves down here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. And then we're going to go down and then up here, kind of like a little bit of a curved diamond. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to bring it up here, and then we're going to come down to here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here and then down here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, over, and then we're going to bring this up and connect it. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and down. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then in here. Then right here, I'm going to go over. I'm going to come up, and I'm going to bring this in. Then we're going to curve this line up. I'm going to bring this line over. I'm going to make this line come down, and we're going to bring this to here. I'm going to curve a line here and another one here. Then I'm going to bring this down and over, and this one down and over. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our little cocoon Pokemon. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line up, and this line up. Then I'm just going to make kind of like a zigzag line that goes all the way across here, and then a zigzag line that's going to go all the way across here. I'm going to connect this up here, and I'm going to connect this. And I'll bring this down, and I'm going to bring this down. Now, over here, let's do the same thing with Metapod. So I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm just going to make kind of like a zigzag shape all the way across. Now I'm going to bring this line down and this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to make like a zigzag line all the way across. And we'll bring these two lines up. Now let's draw Beedrill inside of Kakuna. And we're going to make it look like it's kind of flying into it. So I'm going to start right here with the eye. And I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve down and then back up, and you can see it's rounded on the back and pointy down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line around. We're going to curve it up, and then we're going to come down here for the head. Then we're going to make a little curve here. For the antennas, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then over. We'll do that again. We'll come up, over, and connect. Same thing here. We're going to come up and then over. We'll come up, over, and connect. Now, let's make the arm right here. I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come over and then down. Then I'm going to make another line that's going to come over and then down, and we'll connect it. We'll put a little curve here. Then we're going to put the big pointy spike right there. I want to make a curve here. And then we're going to curve it up to here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curl around for the other arm. I'm going to make a curve here. I want to make another point for that big spike. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve here. Then I'm going to curve this line up to here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and over. We'll make another one that's going to go down and over for the leg. Now, starting here, I'm going to make this line curve up. Then we're going to bring it back. And we'll make another little line curve here. Then I'm going to make another line that's going to curve up and down. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come over, or down and over. We're making another one that's going to come over and down. And then one here. Same thing, over and up. Little line here. We'll make a little line that's going to come over and down. Now for the stripes, I'm going to curve a line here and here. Then I'm going to curve a line here and curve a line here. And then I'm going to add a small oval in the eye. And then a little curve here. Now, once we have Beedrill drawn, then we want to work on Butterfree. So to start off with Butterfree, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make an oval shape for the eye. Then I'm going to make another oval shape over here for the eye. I'm going to make a small oval right here. And then two little bumps. I'm going to bring this line down with a curve. And then I'm going to bring this line around with a curve. I'm going to curve this line around, and I'm going to bring it up to here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out, and we'll put three little bumps on it and bring it back. We'll make another little curve here, and we'll put three little bumps. Next, I'm going to curve this line down and curve this line down for a foot. Then I'll curve this line down and curve this line down for a foot. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line back. I'm going to put a little curve on it and then bring it down here for the antenna. We'll do the same thing here. Bring this back, put a little curve on it, and then bring it down for the antenna. I'm going to curve this line up for the wing. Then I'm going to curve this line, and then I'll curve one here. Then I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to curve this line up and down for a wing, and we'll just leave it just like that. Now right here, I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 lines for the wing. And then up here, I'm going to make 1 and then 2 lines for the wing. Then I'm going to make a couple little curves right here. And I'll make a little curve here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Metapod versus Kakuna Surprise Fold. So when we have it all folded up, we see the two cocoon Pokemon staring each other down. And then when you open it, you can see that their evolutions of Beedrill and Butterfree are coming out to attack. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.